So should you quit making music? I usually get that question ever so often, and usually I answer with some questions of myself. Do you love it, and does it make you happy? Because here's the deal. If you make music just for the expectations, getting money, of having fame, clout, cars, girls, whatever, and don't have that foundation of truly loving what you do, it's not gonna work. And regardless of what you're doing, if you don't wake up every single day happy and passionate about it, why are you doing it anyway? And I feel like that's where a lot of people miss it. But maybe let's say you do love what you do and you are passionate about it. Maybe you get easily discouraged, not seeing the results that you want to see soon enough, and are just getting impatient with the entire process and journey of becoming an artist. I'm not gonna go all in depth, but this journey with YouTube for me started a while ago. 2 straight years of just being consistent before I seen any type of growth. And you know, it wasn't about the views. I may have gotten 10 views a video at most, and I'm talking posting 300 to 400 videos throughout the year. And you know, I was just truly having fun and just loving the process of learning, of creating, and it was an escape for me. It truly fulfilled me and took my mind from everything else around me. Anything that you're passionate about in this life should be treated as a journey, as a lifestyle, where you're constantly growing every day, trying something new, learning something new, and putting yourself in situations that maybe you're not comfortable with. Allow yourself to evolve. You know, they say that insanity is doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. And it's okay to have the wants and the needs, right? It's only human, we have that. But what's most important is that you enjoy and love what you do, more than anything. You know, maybe music isn't for you, or maybe you just need that next challenge out of life. If that's the case, do what makes you happy. But if the reason you want to quit something that you're passionate about is because you're impatient, then you really just have to get more grounded in what you're doing and get your priorities straight. And maybe you want to be great, right? I know a lot of us as artists, we want to be great and we want the world to hear and enjoy our music. Some of you guys know this story. Take Michael Jordan, for instance. You know, Michael Jordan did not make his high school basketball team. Think about that. The man who we consider the greatest of all time in high school was told he wasn't even worthy enough to make his high school basketball team. You know, he easily could have gave up. He easily could have quit and said, you know what? Maybe this thing that I love and want to do, maybe it's not cut out for me. But he didn't do that. You know, he went and he worked his ass off, worked harder, you know, than you could ever imagine. Look at him now, bro. We consider him as the greatest for a reason. You know, he was told no. He was put in a position where most people would have given up, you know, but like his love and his passion of what he wanted to become, he wanted to be great. And he did that, you know, so maybe you have big dreams, big goals, and want to be great. You know, speak it into existence. Work harder than the next man. Embrace the journey. But most importantly, don't be afraid to fail. Our failures make our wins, bro. They build us. Learn from your failures. Your failures make you who you are. You know, I feel like a lot of artists, they fail, they get discouraged, and they quit. And they quit, bro. Embrace your failures. Learn from your failures. And continue to walk down this journey if it's something you love. You know, Music is such a beautiful thing, but not just for the listeners, for the creators. Make the music that you're happy with. Simple as that. So to answer the question, should you quit music? Life's too short to not do anything that you don't love. And maybe it's not music, and if it's not, find that thing that makes you happy. Find that thing that excites you. But if you're in it for the wrong reasons, or maybe you don't love it anymore, or maybe you found something that you're even more passionate about, do what makes you happy. And do not waste your time doing anything else but that. Yo, I'm like hella sweaty out here right now. But yeah, man, I just wanted to end this video with thanking you guys for all the support. You know, we're getting ready to hit 10K, and honestly, it's only the beginning, but it just, from where I came from, it honestly is just, I'm just super grateful, man. And I appreciate you guys and for your support, not just for me, but for everyone in the community, man. So look forward to what's in store. And oh yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video right here, y'all make sure to smash that like button for me. And yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's hit 10K faster, and let's really go up in 2020. I love y'all. Until next time, my name is Mo. I'm out of here.